Lock I'm going to show you is Bird. Not the hardest lock to pick, not the hardest lock to bump. This one I'm using little bump key, nothing special. Already spaced it out, but I'll show you the process again. Basically, line this end point on your key up in between the end two pins. This small gap that's here, you need to fill with some dampeners to reset it. Just saves time rather than manually doing it. See how that's spaced now, so this pin, the peak on the key, ends in between those end two pins when it's inside the lock. Put the key in, bump the lock, and it's gone. There you go. The Bird bump key, not the hardest lock, in fact really easy lock to bump, as you've just seen. Just a demonstration again.